And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UC versus JIU.
Asa may mili manuay? Ito ay.
First five on UC, first five on JIU. It's JIU versus UC. Ball game, and we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista.
Ibrahim. Sa itong player ko siya ba? Tingnan na ito.
Oh! La Piguera!
Ito isa ba? Ano masya Domingo sa bayan? Tingnan lang.
Hindi ako nangangantaw.
Now Wesley. Montoya. Steal by Makasibang. La Piguera. Against a score by La Piguera. It's 4-0. Now Alak. Carried by Prolio. Montoya, favorite shot. First attempt, too strong, top by Alak. Now Wesley. Wesley drive, coast to coast, Wesley up and jump, too strong, top. Now Makasibang. La Piguera, 1-1 by Montoya. La Piguera, La Piguera, same spot. Oh, La Piguera now 6 against 0. It's a 6-0 run coming from UC. Wesley. Alak. Anderson, short, top. Now Pilarca. Oh, Prolio. Same ball. It's same ball. JRU. Inbounding Anderson to Wesley. Wow! Turnover again on by JRU. It's 6 against 0. 8 minutes and 15. Top shot! Short by Alak.
Kanina nandito, hindi mo sinabi.
Hindi lang ko. Sabi mo, may bibigay ko pa siya.
Pilarca. Oh! Alak. It's 6-2.
Sana kung nagbigay na kanina
Hindi,
yung
hindi ko tamatan. Pero lang yung pulso.
Makasibang, short.
Ikaw dito. Ikaw dito? Ano?
Ramos Black by Pilarca. 40 to shoot, 40.
Kandi kasi nandyan, di mo sinabi.
Nasa tapos doon daw bibigay mo.
Rolio. In and out. Anderson, Montoya. Yes, coming from Anderson to Montoya. It's 6-4. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. La Piguera. Sahor. Black by Pilarca. Now Montoya. Looking for Anderson. Anderson. Fake. Drive. Anderson escape. 6-all. In 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Magasibang. Prolio. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Magasibang. 9-6. It's 3-point lead on UC. Now Wesley. Anderson. Short. It's UC ball. UC. 9 minutes and 6. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Magasibang again. Bang, bang, bang! On Magasibang. 12-6. Wesley. Steal on La Peguera. It's 3-on-2. 3-on-1. La Peguera. La Peguera. Nice steal by Alak. Alak. Pilarca. Wow! Alam mo kami from Pilarca now. 12-8. 4-point lead on UC. Ramos. Short. Pilarca. It's 4-4. Pilarca goes to Montoya. Now, turnover on GIU. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 12-8. It's 4-point lead on UC. Now, Magasibang.
Dalawang
Prolio. Back to Magasibang. Magasibang again. Short. Rebound on Pilarca. Now Wesley. Montoya. Bang, bang, bang! On Montoya. La Peguera foul. Foul on Montoya. First on Montoya. First team foul. JRU. 12-11. It's 1-point lead against UC. Ramos. Too strong. Tap by Pilarca. Now Wesley. Montoya. Too strong. Tap. It's white ball. UC ball. 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
300.
Magasibang.
Pero daw niya yan, sabi niya.
Tap. Pilarca. 1-1. Pilarca. Pass to Montoya. Montoya. Favorite shot. Short. Tap. Rebound on Prolio. Prolio to Magasibang. La Peguera. 1-1. La Peguera. Nice defense on Alak. It's 3 minutes and 20 seconds. It's UC versus TIU. Magasibang. La Peguera. Time to shoot. 5. Wesley. Pilarca. Gawin ba yung Magasibang? 1-1 may Pilarca. Pilarca. Go. Still in Prolio. It's 30 to shoot. 13. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. JRU versus UC. Alak. Wesley. Escape by Wesley. Short. Wesley again. Fake. Steal by La Peguera. Foul. Foul on Montoya. Second personal foul on Montoya. Second team foul against JRU. Now Prolio.
Yes,
Ramos.
sir.
Magasibang.
Ay.
Too strong. Ibang by Alak. Alak. Foul. Foul on Prolio. First on Prolio. First team foul on UC. Now Anderson. It's 12-11. Only 1-point lead on UC. Montoya. Too strong. Ibang by Pilarca. 14 seconds. 14. Wesley. Short. Top. Now Magasibang. La Peguera again. La Peguera. Close to close. La Peguera. In and out. Iba by Anderson.
Wala, baba mo.
Anderson now. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Still by Sahor. Now, Prolio. Ramos. Black by Wesley. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 3 on 1. Nice pass. Nice defense on Sahor. Now, Ramos. Ramos top, pump. Ramos, open jump, shoot. Up and Sahor. Ramos again. Ramos. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Montoya. Third on Montoya. Time out on JRU. His third personal foul on Montoya. Third on JRU.
Kaya mo na, huwag ka lang mag-foul. Huwag ka lang mag-foul.
It's 1 minute and 9 seconds. First quarter is JRU against UC. Third personal foul on Montoya. Sahor, tumakasibang. Back to Sahor. Turnover against UC. 55 seconds. 12-11. 1 point lead, UC. Now Wesley. Anderson. Guarded by Prolio. Back to Wesley. Time to shoot. Top. Pilarca. Now 13-12. 1 point lead JRU. 30 seconds. Whoa! Magasibang. 14-13. 15 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Montoya. 10 seconds.
Ramos.
5.
3.
And now for first quarter score is 16 against 14. JRU. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Second quarter. It's UC ball, UC. UC tayo, UC. It's UC.
Sino una kanina? Sila na shot?
JRU. It's JRU. First position, UC. Second position, JRU. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UC versus JRU. Our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. Primo. In and out. Top. De La Cruz. Now Sugitan, the air fly, Sugitan, pass to Di Rosario, in and out. Now Escobel. Now setting a play. Looking for De La Cruz. Drive. Short. Rebound by Escobel. Again, too strong. Top. Alcantara. Foul on De La Cruz. First on De La Cruz. First team foul against JRU. Now Fernandez. Sugitan. Pass to De La Cruz. Sugitan. 14 to shoot. Short, too strong. Now abangan. Primo, side step, foul. Foul on number 15 on Sugitan. First on Sugitan. First team foul, UC.
Ayaw lang i-pick up. Tuhod.
It's 8 minutes and 44 seconds. 2-point lead on JRU.
Tektal, pare, tektal.
Alcantara. De La Cruz. Oh, nice pass. Kick out. Fernandez. Short. De La Cruz. Rebound na Primo. Primo. Looking for Abangan. Abangan. Back to De La Cruz. Now De La Cruz. 10 to shoot. Escobar. Abangan. 5 to shoot. Short. It's white ball. 8 minutes. Nice defense on UC. 16 to 14. 2-point lead on JRU. Too strong. Rebound by Abangan.
Likod.
Abangan. Kali pa De Rosario. De La Cruz. To Crooks. Short by Crooks. Rebound on Fernandez. Fernandez Sugitan. Guarded by De La Cruz. Now Sugitan. Guarded by 2. Sugitan. To Del Rosario. Del Rosario. Open jumper. Too strong. Rebound on Esquivel.
Hey, check muna. Shadow kayo nagmamadali.
It's still 16 to 14. Both teams. No score in second quarter. Esquivel. De La Cruz. Kali by De La Cruz. Ano naman by De La Cruz? Primo. Short. Rebound by De La Cruz. Too strong again. Rebound on Primo. Naabangan. Too strong. De La Cruz agad to De La Cruz. Foul. Foul at number 5 on Abangan. First on Abangan, second personal second team foul on the JRU. Now Fernandez. De La Cruz. 14 to shoot. 10. Lusario. Black! But Pinagos. Too strong. Primo. Primo. To Crooks. Again, air ball by Crooks. Now De La Cruz. In and out. Rebound on De La Cruz to De La Cruz. Now Abangan. Foul. Foul on De La Cruz. 13 foul on second personal foul on De La Cruz. Still our score 16 against 14. Crooks. Primo. Escobar. Short again. Now Del Rosario. De La Cruz. Black by Primo. De La Cruz. Escobar. Crooks. Yes. On Crooks. Now 18-14. 4-point lead on JRU.
Hands up!
Yes, on Sugitan. 5 minutes. Escobar. 1-1 by De Rosario.
Nice defense.
Primo. Bang! On De La Cruz. 21-16. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Nice pass. Black by De La Cruz. Abangan. Escobar. Too strong. Primo. Time out. On JRU, it's 23 against 16. It's 7-point lead on JRU. And we're still live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's 23-16.
Pasautan mo pag magkawak to para mag-lapis ko rin.
Inbound, you see.
Saya yan, Jose!
Now, Del Rosario. Ah! Bang, bang, bang! On De La Cruz. 23-19. Primo. Too strong. De La Cruz. Top by Sugitan. Now Sugitan to Del Rosario. Too strong. Top. Primo. To Crooks. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, De La Cruz. Rebound on De La Cruz. Escobar. Crooks. Yes, on Crooks. 25-19. It's 6-point lead against JRU. 3 minutes.
Sugitan.
Fernandez, 10 to shoot.
Oh,
Ah, yan out. Rebound on De La Cruz. Top, Crooks. Short again by Crooks. Primo. Too strong. Top, Sugitan, rebound. Ah, in out. Sugitan again. Alcantara, yes! On Alcantara. 25 to 21. 2 minutes and 20. Brooks. 10 to shoot. Abangan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Abangan. 2 minutes. 14 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Fernandez. 28 to 24. Crooks. Short on Crooks. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Still 4-point lead on JRU.
Pau, angat mo dito.
Shot. Rebound on De La Cruz. Naabangan. Too strong. Top. Rebound on Fernandez. De La Cruz.
ay pasa.
Foul on De La Cruz. 13 foul on JRU. First on De La Cruz.
De La Cruz siya, De La Cruz din.
49 seconds. 49 seconds.
Mong, 5 mong, wala mong. Jis na mong, Jis. Jis na, wala. Sampo.
Plus fudge mong.
Mong, Jis mong, wala mong. Pasok na.
Rebound on De La Cruz. Primo. Fernandez. Out! Throttling penalties in 30 seconds.
Uy, lumabal kayo, bumaba kayo.
Pagod na.
Wala akong pakialam kung pagod sila. Sila yung nasa loob eh. Gusto nila maglaro eh. Pumasok kayo eh.
Ika na.
Bong, na kasing tatawid. Bong, huwag ka kasing umilalim mo. Natatapakin ka mo. Bako! Uy!
29 seconds left. Rep, get it. Primo. Ampangan. 20 seconds. Escobel. Rosario. Foul. Foul on Escobel. Warning for penalty on JRU. First on Escobel. 15 seconds.
Wala lang. Gamit yun.
Ten. 5 seconds. And for second quarter score, it's 28-24.
5 minutes pag di pa mawalik.
Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Sige tan, 5 minutes tayo ha. 5 minutes. Kung di siya makabalik, wala na ha. 5 minutes. Spray dito, spray.
Third quarter ready, third quarter. It's UC ball, UC. Inbound nila Peguera. Fernandez. Nice move. Too strong. Tap. La Peguera. It's still by De La Cruz. It's still one. Anderson. Yes. So Anderson now 30-24. It's 6-point lead against JRU. La Peguera. In and out. Tap. Wesley. Magasibang. La Peguera. In and out again by La Peguera. Tap. Magasibang. To Sahor. Sahor. 10 to shoot.
Ganon.
Pilar ka. Foul. Foul on Magasibang. First on Magasibang. First team foul against UC. Now Wesley. Labarias, Pilarca, back to Wesley. Anderson. Too strong. La Peguera. Nice defense on De La Cruz. Pakasibang. De La Cruz again. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Regueron. Second team foul on UC. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Wesley. Labarias. Back to Wesley. Nice play. Back to De La Cruz. Foul. Foul on Fernandez. 13 foul against UC.
Fernandez.
First personal foul on Fernandez. 31-24. It's 7-point lead on JRU. Now 32-24, 8-point lead on JRU. Sahor. Too strong. Out. Rebound by Wesley. Labarias. Back to Wesley. Yes! On Wesley! 34-24. 10-point lead on JIU. Too strong.
Shot!
Nice!
Makasibang.
Patayan yan! Patayan ang 14! Uy! Traveling.
Traveling violation on Anderson, troubling. 34-26, 8-point lead on JIU.
Patayan na ng 24 ha? At saka number 10.
5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Nice.
Yes. On La Pegara. 28-34. It's 6-point lead on JIU. Wesley. Pilar ka? Foul. Foul on number 12 on ganon.
Time out?
Liga ng second.
Time out? Hindi.
Time out yan.
Time out on JIU. Warning for penalty on UC.
Sige na, sige na. Yung isa pwede na mag-sub, ha? Sige na. Ah, hindi kayo nun. Hindi pwede isa-sub. Pasok. Mag-sub lang tayo pag nakalaro na lahat. Para makalaro lahat.
Now Wesley. Anderson. 3-second violation on Lavarias.
Kung nalala mo kung tayo smoker,
Hoy, ah.
Now La Pegara.
di ba? Putik.
Fernandez.
Galing nga.
Di ganon.
Eh, hindi pumasok. Down.
Back to Fernandez.
Okay.
It's time to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
Ang legitimahe.
Takot sila matalo, kaya complain. Okay lang kami yung boss Mike. Ayan! Sumilakit!
Short. Oh! Magasiba! 30-34 now. It's 4-point lead against JIU. Pilarca. Bang! On Pilarca. 36-30. It's 6-point lead, JIU.
Oh, grabe
Hernandez, Caribel Labaras.
Grabe naman dikit sila.
Sugitan. Out of bound. Turnover on UC.
Ba talaga ako mga rated, grabe mag-defense. Bawal tuluyan yung player yun.
Now Wesley.
Pahinga muna. Marami
Labarias.
pang laro. Marami pang laro.
Back to Wesley.
Hindi, kaya ang simple sa mises.
Anderson. 14 to shoot. Ah, still on Fernandez. Now Lapiguera. Short. Top. Lapiguera again. Foul. Pass ready to rep. Foul on number 19 on Labarias. Sub rep, sub. First team foul on JIU. First on Labarias.
Walang rebound kay Nico. Marami pang laro. Kaya nga na.
Wesley to Anderson. Oh! Wala mo ba Anderson? Ramos.
Walang kumpat sa pula.
Magasibang.
Oh, magic!
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh!
Ay, ay, ay.
Wow! Magasibang. 36-32. Anderson. It's 4-point lead on JIU. Wesley. Foul. Whoa! Pass basket count and 1 on Wesley. It's penalty now, UC. All on number 1.
Lente ka gid mo.
Alan Ramos.
Wesley.
Fernandez.
Kaya sigang mama!
2 minutes. Top. Magasibang.
Atay na naman yan!
In and out. Lamarias. To Wesley. Now Anderson.
Ayun. You know?
Yes! On Anderson. 8-point lead now, JRU. La Figuera. Bang! On La Figuera. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. 10. Escobel.
10 seconds!
5.
Wesley. Oh no.
Ibano ang Fernandez. Tingnan. Top by Anderson. 1 minute and 10. Yes, on Pilar ka. 42 to 34. Wow. Penalty rep, penalty rep. 53 seconds, 53. Two free throw on Laborias.
Nice one!
43 to 34. It's 9-point lead against JRU.
Ayun.
Now 44 to 34. 10-point lead on JRU. Ramos.
Tira pa!
Ganon. 40 seconds. Escobel. Now Wesley. Anderson. Anderson move in and out. Ibang by ganon. 25 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Lapagera. 20 seconds.
Kaya na, Wesley, kaya na!
10 seconds.
Ikaw niya!
Yes, on Ramos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Anderson. It's 47-39. Back to 8-point lead. On JRU. Fourth quarter ready up, fourth quarter. It's JRU ball, JRU. Ball game rep, ball game rep. It's GRU ball. Now Montoya.
Eh, naman tayo!
Wow! Turnover against JRU.
Kahit makuha yun, wala mo na!
Now De La Cruz.
Tumbong ha!
La Figuera. Short. Di ba may alak?
Isa!
9 minutes and 20. De La Cruz. Sahor. Nice defense on Primo. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. La Figuera. In and out. Tap. Ramos. Ilang close again. Yes, on La Figuera. It's 41. Against the 47. It's 6-point lead on JIU.
Magyan.
Ten to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Alak, La Peguera. Yes, on La Peguera. 43 to 50.
Wala pa niya, wala pa. Fourth quarter na.
Wala muna! Balik! Ikot!
Too strong. Rebound by Sahor. Anderson. Foul. Substitution net. Foul on Magasiba. First team foul on UC.
Wala magsibang.
Magasibang. Magasibang second.
Second personal foul against Magasibang. It's 50 against 43. 7-point lead on JIU. 8-point lead on JIU.
Yes!
La Peguera. 51 to 45. 6-point lead. UC. JIU. Anderson. 14 to shoot. 10.
Aywa.
Short. It's UC ball. 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Sahor. Whoa! Sahor. 4-point lead now, JIU. Sahor rebound. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 11 on Anderson. Timeout on JIU. First team foul on JIU.
Tatlo na lang yan, oh.
Ramos.
Oh, Yuse.
Magasibang. Too strong.
Support! Woo!
It's JIU ball. JIU.
O, depensa tayo, depensa!
Nakalak. Montoya. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Montoya.
Oh, shoot na!
54-47, back to 7-point lead. Sahor. Oh! Sahor.
Tao! Paano kayo ng senyo? Tao, sao!
Primo.
Antay lang, antay. Kaya mo.
4 minutes and 20. Montoya. 14 to shoot. 10.
Yan, labas yan!
Foul! Foul on Ramos. Ramos. Second team foul on UC.
Ramos. Second.
Second personal foul on Ramos. 55-49. Back to 6-point lead on JRU. De La Cruz! De La Cruz! La Peguera. In and out. La Peguera again. Foul. Foul on number 29. On Alak.
Stop.
Sabrep. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Now 50-57. It's 7-point lead on JRU. Wesley. Anderson. 14 to shoot.
8 seconds ha? 8 seconds.
10.
Balik-balik muna.
Primo.
Oh no.
Tira!
5. Foul. Foul on Ramos. 13 foul on UC.
Ramos third.
Third personal foul against Ramos. 3 minutes. It's 12 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Ten. 2 minutes and 50.
Gigi!
Yes, on La Peguera.
5 points na lang yan! 5 points na lang! Sige! Tao! Oh, ate! Nice!
It's JRU ball. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Sub.
Pasok! Rim. Tulong dito, pala. Tao! Ready tayo!
Anderson. Short. Top. Magasibang. Still Alman Anderson. Pilar ka? Back to Anderson. 10 to shoot. 10. He's still on Sahor. In and out. Ramos. Yes, on Ramos. It's 54-53. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 3-point lead on JRU. Wesley. Yes, on Wesley. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Magasibang. Bang! Oh, time out on JRU.
Wala na silang time out, ha? Nice one.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Only 2-point lead on JRU. One minute and 30 seconds.
Time out ha.
Mayroon pa kaming dalawa, di ba? Tao! Dave, makarebound ka din.
Montoya. Anderson.
Mawi.
Whoa! Anderson. 61-47. Ramos.
Oy!
Foul.
Nice move!
Push mo left. Foul on number 24 on Pilarca. Second team foul on JIU.
Shorta, shorta.
1 minute and 7 seconds. 58 to 61. 58 against the 61.
Short lang, short. Rebound.
De la Cruz, Wesley. Foul.
Nice ball, nice ball, nice ball, nice ball. Wala pang penalty, wala pang...
Warning for penalty on UC.
Oh, higpit tayo dito. Pipitsa.
59 seconds.
Dikitan nyo na, dikitan nyo na. Yan, sige. Yan, yan, yan. Dikit lang, dikit. Penalty sila.
50 seconds. 14 to shoot.
5 seconds, pre. 5 seconds mo. Dalawa.
Foul on Makasibang. Now UC and penalty.
Makasibang turn.
Third personal foul on Makasibang. 43 seconds. 43.
Isa lang, isa lang, isa lang. Jai. Pensa. Yun!
Now 62.
Press, defense!
62-50.
Bal, tayo mo!
Tabi dyan, walang cross pass.
34 seconds.
Baba, di na cruz.
14 to shoot.
Last na lang!
10.
Agaw pa yan!
5 shoot.
Oh, hey!
14 seconds.
Ayun na!
12 seconds. 12 seconds. It's 62 to 58. 4-point lead against JIU.
Wala kang shoot.
Free throw naman. Ito mo siya free throw, dalawa.
Wala, puro free throw. Dalawa lang free throw niya.
12 seconds. 12.
Sige mo.
Wala na ako.
Time out. On UC, it's 63 against the 58. 5-point lead on JIU. Last 12 seconds. Last 12 seconds.
Magsawag kayo, magtatalo kayo iba! Magsawag ka dito! Wesley! Si Makasiba ka? Kaya na, takbuhan nyo, release na. Okay!
Oh! In and out! Score! 3 seconds, 3! Walang na, thanks, Makasibang! 3 seconds!
Di ba balik? 4 points yan ha!
And over game, our winner, JRU, it's 63 against 58, UC.